Welcome, I'm Darrin Lile. In this course, you will learn how to create an animated character in Blender 2.9. We will go through the process of modeling, texturing, rigging, and animating this character using only open source software, Blender, and Krita. Even though this is an introductory course, I will assume that you have at least some knowledge of Blender, like being able to navigate in the 3D view and move, rotate, and scale objects. But throughout most of this course, I will also be displaying my keystrokes and mouse clicks here in the bottom right of the screen. So at any time, you can see what it is I'm doing that gets a particular result. I've really tried to show every step in the character creation process in this course, trying not to skip anything. You are, of course, free to skip around in the course however you like, but know that the information builds throughout the course, and I try not to repeat myself too much. So, if you skip over one area, it may contain information needed for later sections. To help with this, you will also have access to all the project files for the course. You can download the Blender scene files, the reference images, the textures, etc. So at any point, you can look at the files from that moment in the course to help you understand what is being done. Well, I'm excited to get started. I hope you are too. If you've ever wanted to create your own 3D animated character in Blender, then you've come to the right place. In the next video, we'll begin by bringing in the reference images and setting up the interface.